If your back feels sore after you've had an intense workout session or a sports activity, let me show you 3 stretches which will help you cool down and feel better. The first one is calf stretch. So you come in the walk stance position, taking a wall support and lunge ahead. You should be feeling a calf stretch in the leg which is behind. Hold the stretch for 15 to 20 seconds count and release it. Repeat it 3 times on each side. Make sure your back is not arching here. Second stretch is for the inner thigh area. So come into a sitting position. Assume the figure of 4 posture and just maintaining your neutral spine, try to push your knee down. You should be getting a very comfortable stretch in your inner thigh area. And the third movement is doing back extensions so as to relieve the pressures coming on your back. So just do 10 repetitions without holding. Still, if you feel that your back is not getting better, it is still sore, try to rest it out properly with a hot pack. Again, if your pain is not getting any better further, make sure you're visiting the nearest QI Spine Clinic for your first free consultation with your spine specialist.
Call us at 080 352 16995 for first free consultation.